Alright my peeps, so what we're gonna do, since I'm running low on my expanded EM1, we're gonna make some more. We're gonna do another batch, a new batch. So here are my notes. EM1 Pro Terraganics. So we're gonna do 1 liter. 1 liter of water. You see it? 1 L, 1 liter. Okay. And what that consists of is either 40 mils of molasses and 50 mils of EM1 or expanded EM1, or just keep it simple, 50 millimeters of molasses and EM1. So that's what we're gonna do, 50 millimeters of both. Okay, and here's the rest if you want to do 1 quart, 1 gallon, 5 gallons. Yeah. And all you need is 1 ounce, 30 millimeters of EM1 or expanded EM1 per 1 gallon of clean water. And you could add it to your water, foliar spray, do whatever you want. But yeah, so that's my notes for Terraganics EM1, effective microorganisms. Alright my peeps. And we're going to use 3 different type of molasses. Okay, we're going to use the Hybrix, the Earth Juice, okay. We're also going to use the Roots Organics, the Trinity, okay. And we're also going to use the Aura Innovation Soul Infinity, okay. So first is going to be 30 mils of expanded EM1, and then a second round of 20 mils, so that should be 50 mils. We're going to add it to 1 liter of water. That's 30. Now we need 20 more, and that's it. We just add the molasses. That should be good enough. Okay, and as far as the molasses, we're going to do 30 of the Hybrix since we have a lot of it. And then we're going to do 10 and 10 of the small containers. The Roots Organics. The Aura Innovations. Super childproof, man. Alright. Let's do this. Use 30. Right there. That looks about right. Alright, we're good with that. Now we're gonna do 10 of this one, the Roots Organic, and then we're gonna do 10 of the Soul. That should cover our molasses. Where are you at? Right here. Okay, so 10. We only need 20. Should be good enough. And then there you go. There you go. That should be good enough. 20. Alright, we're done with this batch. And now we're going to do the second one. Alright. Pull this up. And the second one. So that we're done with this one, alright? And that's all it takes. And then we're going to check in a couple of days. Actually going to put the date on it, and then we're going to check in a couple of days the pH, and it should be at 3. And then most of the molasses should be consumed. But there you go, expanded EM1. Okay, part 1, because we're gonna do this one. So I'm gonna empty this out on the second part. You guys gonna see, so stay tuned. But yeah, so that's EM1. Alright, peace, love, and health.